Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, right now we are traveling in southern Thailand. We are in Khao Lak at the moment, just enjoying a little bit of beach and relaxation. I'm out on the balcony this morning, just loving the peace and quiet. It's super quiet right here, right now. It's actually fairly cool this morning, still humid, but a lot cooler than days past. I think it's like 32 degrees Celsius. This morning we got a little bit of rain overnight, so it's still really hot, but the last few days have been nearly intolerable. And I definitely got like some legit sun. Can you see my sunburn? I'm just gonna show you my boob. Not really, that was a moment. So yeah, anyways, got a nice hot little sunburn, and I've just really been like enjoying the beach and the pool and everything like that. In my last video, I took you guys and I showed you our pool access suite, as well as gave you a little bit of a tour around the resort that we're staying at. So if you missed that, definitely check it out. But today we're just doing like a little bit of a day in the life, because my trip is coming to an end here pretty soon. My travels for the year, of course, are definitely not done. But yeah, our time in southern Thailand is coming to a close. So I'm just sort of like enjoying the time that I have left, and getting some things set up also for our next group of travelers. So yeah, we'll do a little day in the life today, and then just see where it takes us. See where the sea breeze blows us. So if you've not already hit that subscribe button, do it. Definitely do it. Do it now, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And yeah, let's just go grab some breakfast, because your girl's hungry. Like borderline hangry, but like not hangry yet. So we are just back in the room now. I am downloading some footage from everything that I filmed this morning and yesterday around the resort. And then we're gonna head to the beach, but I am not really digging the idea of hanging out on the beach too long, because like I mentioned earlier, I did get a bit of a sunburn, and so did Derek. So we're thinking beach massages might be in order. All about a nice, inexpensive Thai massage on the beach with the sound of the ocean in the background. So that's kind of the plan. And then I also just kind of did a little bit of work this morning. We booked our airport transfer because we have our international flight out of Phuket tomorrow. And then they also have like shared shuttle services, I'm sure, because every city seems to. We just have like a kind of an awkward flight time, and so if we did like a shared shuttle, we'd probably have to get up a few hours earlier than we want to, and we don't want to do that. So yeah, that's my update. Let's go enjoy the rest of the day, and I'm gonna be done my work for the moment. Yeah, plan. So we're back. I feel I have full-on massage hair. You know that like look you've got after you get a full body massage, head massage included? Yeah, she like dug right in there. Oh, felt so good. For those of you who like don't know anything about a Thai massage, they bend you around, and this girl was like elbows, knees, like pulling my arms backwards, flipping me forwards. It was like a whole thing. So I'm like in pain, but it's like a really good kind of pain. And I like really wanted a Thai massage. I didn't want an aloe vera massage, but I really wanted a little aloe vera on there. So we look at this. So we negotiated for her to do like a Thai massage for 1 hour, and then the last little bit she just sort of added a little aloe in on my face and on my chest because it was really burnt, and she like massaged it in there all nice, and now I just feel fresh and fantastic. So yeah, I just plan on doing a little bit more work today. We booked our shuttle to the airport I told you guys about. And then I also have just like a bunch of emails to send out because I have a whole group of 7 travelers coming in the next 3 or 4 days, and I need to get all of their like airport transfers and everything just reconfirmed. So I'm just kind of sending email after email after email right now. And yeah, luckily the Wi-Fi has been fairly decent, better than Khao Lak anyway. So I'm gonna let you guys go here. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, definitely do it. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And until I see you next, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.